In the past, we did a humidifier with a flame effect with a clock. And now we're going to do a smaller unit, the flame aroma diffuser. Okay. I like the effect that these things do. And on the other one, I don't think you really need the clock. So I thought, well, let me buy a second one that's a little bit smaller. And it says wood grain, but I think it's like faux grain. All right. Oh, that's the cup. All right. And the power supply. So it's AC and a little instruction book. And also, oh, I kind of like that they give you this, because the other one says just fill to fill line. But with this one, you can fill that cup, and I assume that that's the proper amount to put in here. It's wood grain like. Okay. It came from, they saw down a plastic tree to get that wood grain. All right, so we're going to undo it. That's how much cord you get. And as I said, it's AC, not one of those little USB that you can plug into a computer. Oh, I got. So that just goes into the bottom. Has feet on it so that the cable doesn't mess up. And I'm going to plug it in and assume it's not going to go right on. All right. Add water up to that. I'm not sure. We're going just by this little gauge here, that this would give you the right amount of water to put in. Seems like very little. And we're going to put this on. And then we're going to go to the front. And let's see, is this on? Okay, so normally these things take like 30 seconds to start up.
The design kind of eclipses the smoke. It doesn't look good. It's better the other way.
It's better the other way.
Yeah, it really is.
Okay.
Much better. Yeah.
All right, so the design, so you can face it either way. So actually it's probably good that the back doesn't have that design on it also. I like this. This is very nice. I thought a good way to let you judge what they look like is to put the two humidifier faux fireplace units together. The one with the tree is the smaller of the two, 240 milliliters of water. And the big one, I believe, was 420 milliliters of water. They both go off automatically if they run out of water. And they both have settings for a certain number of hours before they go off. Dennis thought the one with the tree was too bright, not the flame, but the tree itself. So you could just turn it around and use it that way. And then just see, actually, I think I like that better too. The one with the clock does not turn off, but you could just turn the clock facing the wall. The one with the remote control has high flame, low flame. I could not tell the difference between the two flames, but you can make the flame brightness high, medium, low, or off. You can just have the water coming out with no fire effect at all. And the small one has no remote and no clock. If you don't like the clock, but you like the bigger unit, just face the clock toward the wall.